This video is about how to change the ignition switch on a John Deere 777. It might be pretty similar for other John Deeres, and it's a very easy thing to do. First of all, it's 95 degrees today and 90% humidity, so pick a nice shady place to do it and have a drink with you. But it's not that difficult thing to do. So the first thing to do is you have to take this box off here. First thing, take this off. Set it in a seat. Next thing to do, take the key out of the ignition. Set it over there. Take this little ring off here. See this little ring? Take it off. There it comes. Okay. Next thing to do is there's two bolts back here. One here. If you lift the armrest up, there's the other one. I've already unloosened them. And take a socket wrench, or in my case a adjustable wrench, and turn it this way to unloosen it. Once you have it untightened, you can use your fingers and untighten it all the rest of the way. So untighten it with your finger. First, tighten it with the adjustable wrench or your socket wrench, and then with your fingers. So, and it's probably metric if you're going to use a socket wrench. Next thing to do is lift up the case straight up. Let's see, how am I going to do that? And hold the camera. There we go. Pull this plastic thing straight up. Set it out of the way. Okay. Next thing to do, here is your switch. Push it down in there and pull it out. There we go, very simple. So now, just unplug it. Need two hands, so hold on. Okay, this is what it looked like in the back. So, hopefully, my new switch is gonna have the same. Let's see, I bought a new switch off of eBay. I think it was like 20 bucks. It said it was for 777, so let's see. Take the key out. Take the rings off. Uh-oh. 1, 2, 3 rings. A round one and two thick hexagonal. Round one's in the center. So let's hopefully plug this in. I think yes, it fits. Put it in there nice and good. Okay. And then push it up through the hole. The hole is shaped like this. So is this thing, but you can't really see it, but it's got to come up right through the hole. Correct way. There it goes. Fits real snug, just like that. Put your nuts, this thing on. Guess it's like a lock washer. And then the other one. Okay, it's all locked in. Now put the black case back on. For some reason, it seems like I have to change this switch once a year. Line this thing up right with that. There we go. So, if it's good, what's next? Oh yeah. Put your bolts back in. Tighten them up. Put this key on so it goes on one way, not any way. Okay, put this yellow thing back on. Fits only one way. And tighten your bolts up. And that's it.